How are you all? Hope you all are in good health. Students, today we are starting our chapter number 6, Loopings and Graphics in Small Basics. So let's start the topic.
Dear children, while programming, there are situations when you have to repeat one or more statements a number of times. Looping means repeated execution of statements for a fixed number of times. Let us know more. Small Basic was developed by Vijay Raji, a developer at Microsoft in 2008 in response to an article written in September 2006 by David Brin called Why Johnny Can't Code. Let us understand the concept of loop with the help of an example. Suppose your instructor orders you to run and take 10 rounds of a ground to warm up. The very first step needed is to fix the starting point and then start running. On reaching the starting point again, you complete a round. Then you take the second round and so on. This way you keep track of number of rounds until the process gets completed. Children, know the fact, in Small Basic, a file is saved with an extension .sb. In programming, this whole procedure involves setting a value by using a control variable and incrementing it until the process is completed. For example, let us say the control variable is c. We start afresh from the starting number. This number is usually 0. When the first round is over, value of c becomes 1. After the second round, its value becomes c is equals to c plus 1. That means 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 and so on. This value has to be incremented every time the required process is repeated. After incrementing, the control variables is checked again the maximum limit on the number of repetitions required. Disadvantages of using looping technique in programming is that it reduces the number of instructions and also the memory space. Let us know more. If we don't specify the increment and decrement statement in a loop, it becomes an infinite loop. If we do not specify the increment and decrement statements in a loop, it becomes an infinite loop. An infinite loop executed statement block infinite number of times. Small Basic provides two types of loops, which are for loop and while loop. First, we will study about for loop. For loop. When we use multiple counters in large programs, it makes the process quite tedious. The process of repeating a program segment in a loop can be simplified and controlled by using the looping statement. The for loop is used when a group of statements are to be executed a specific number of times. For loop, it also reduces the length of a program. Syntax: for bracket start control variable bracket close is equals to bracket start initial value to final value and end the loop. For loop. Take one example. Write a program to print first 10 natural number on the screen. Write a program to first 10 natural number of the screen. The output is shown on the screen. Explanation of this program. In the first statement, initially the control variable is a is assigned the start value of 1. It keeps the track of number of iteration. The computer checks whether the value of variable a is less than or equals to the end value of 10. If the condition is true, the statement between for and end for get executed. Then the value of a is incremented by 1. The computer again checks the value of variable a against the maximum limit, the final value. If the value of control variable exceeds the final value, the control comes out of the loop and for the looping statement. A control is a variable that controls and count the iteration of a loop in a program. It increases with each iteration of a loop in a program. A control needs two things in order to function: an initial value and incremental value. The initial value is 0 and must be located outside the loop. The incremental value tells the program what is to be counted by and must be located inside the loop. Now, the while loop. The while loop is used when the loop count is not known beforehand. It is determined by the result of the specified condition. The condition given after while evaluates to either true or false. The while loop repeats the instruction until a given condition is true. As the condition becomes the false, loop terminates. Syntax: while the condition, bracket start statement, bracket close, and while. Write a program. Let us take an example. Write a program to print first 10 natural number with gap of 10. The result is shown in the screen. Explanation of this program: in the above given program, the value of variable a is set to be 10, so the condition is true when the loop starts. Every time the value of variable a is increased by 10 when the loop executes. The loop starts after you run the program 10 times because the value of a becomes larger than 100. Let us know more. Runtime is the period during execution which a computer program is being executed.
Thank you, Shamstars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom. Take care. God bless you all.